A routine shoplifting investigation quickly became something more when officers began questioning a woman detained outside a retail store. While she insisted the merchandise was hers and claimed she had paid for the items, conflicting statements about how she arrived at the store and who owned the identification cards found in her possession raised new concerns. As officers dug deeper, they began to suspect they weren't getting the full story.
Where's your car?
Mine.
You said it, you drove here.
Well, I didn't drive.
So you lied. Why are we lying? If you say you paid for stuff, and that stuff that when he's saying in there, you're making yourself look bad.
I'm just trying to get on the bus.
All right, so this stuff is yours.
Yes.
We're going back to. I'm gonna secure my car.
Yep.
And
I'm not.
Let's we have anybody from maintenance. Can we get them out to like the middle of the road?
I'm not going back there.
all right, young lady, let's take a walk. Bring your cart.
Oh my.
Come on, let's go. Start all of that if you want. That's on the back. The name of the LPO is right here. Don't throw that paper because I need that other little.
Okay.
This determines whether or not, the dollar amount, how much determines whether it's indictable or, DP.
So she was, you're,
press charges, so you're more than likely to go on with this officer.
I'm not. I can't. Yeah.
No, that's not an option. So,
Oh my God.
I don't quite, okay.
Does she have a driver's license?
I'm just curious.
Does she have a driver's license?
they're still looking.
Miss Keisha.
We usually tell them to.
Miss Keisha, I'm talking to you.
This one.
Is that your real name? Because if not, you're going to get charged with hindering.
You made one transaction.
Yeah?
It is? All right, before we ask you, yeah, you have the right to remain silent. You want to talk to us about anything?
Not to touch it without gloves on, but I'm doing all
I can't hear you, but you're not handling your mouth.
touching it out, like.
Where's home?
So that's
Why
like
you at the days
that's
in
his transaction.
from
and then
Trenton?
I'm trying to get a good fee.
Why you at the days in from Trenton? Listen, it's a bump in the road. What's done is done. We're just here to at their behest. All right. We'll handle it.
So she have an EBT card?
You have an EBT card?
Yeah.
Let me get a separate refund.
You got two cell phones?
One off.
That's your bank card? Let me see that, please.
This not mine. I'm using somebody else's card.
Oh, good.
David McClure? Who is that?
If you can actually get the case number for us.
You have sheets in your car?
Yeah, if you need a...
You got any other IDs on you inside your pockets? Stand up. Take your jacket off, please. Take your pocketbook off.
3710 US 9
Whose card is this one?
As the investigation continued, officers focused less on the alleged theft and more on the woman's identity. Despite insisting she was telling the truth, records checks failed to verify the information she provided. When officers discovered identification cards, bank cards, and prescription medication connected to another person, they began comparing details and questioning whether she was using someone else's identity.
That's not yours. You got a small bag?
That's your other cousin? Where you get all their cards?
Because I be using it.
It's a Walmart bag. I'm
Just give us your papers.
Can I put my
Make sure I take everything out. Everybody search. Get down there.
So did you give me a fake name? Tell me right now.
No, I did not.
Who's meant through these?
This is my cousin pocketbook. I'm borrowing it.
So there's a reason why you have prescriptions from someone else's name on them in here?
Oh, she left them in there.
Just left them in there?
I just used it for my vehicle and my charger.
Please direct your way over to 2507 Mesquite Concord. Your cross will be Watson Court is 5 Glass Hill Drive. There's a report of a fire alarm going off. We got off now.
Your case, man?
What are these?
Oh, we're not going to refund you because I
Are they prescription? Miss Keisha. Miss Keisha, are these prescription?
Yes, they are.
Why are they in a random plastic bag in your purse?
Because my bottle that they was got messed up.
Turn your pockets inside out, your front pockets. Rabbit ears. Perfect. Put that down.
I need your pen to read one.
Put your earbud in that bag there, all that stuff. Put it in your pocket, put it in that bag.
I was unable to locate a DL for that subject. Is there any chance she could have, I know she has a tracking address, is there any
You gotta,
chance
you gonna give me a pen so I can refund you?
0401.
0401.
So, that's the debit card and stuff. Just dropping those in.
Who's Tanya Mitchell?
That's my cousin.
Alright.
Alright.
That's who possibly got
Where's the video there? You can talk about that.
Alright, you can just pop a score right there. Carl, I'm just gonna run out real quick. Just
Yeah, have a
run
seat,
that one.
Miss Keisha.
No, he's right here.
No, it's sold. Close the door, bro. Will!
get him video.
Did y'all win today?
Huh? Yeah, we did.
Y'all did?
Yeah.
Shit.
Right.
Who are you on the phone with? Whose is this? Your cousin.
Emergency services track.
What's your name?
Keisha.
Keisha. So if I just looked at a photo, and if it's you with that name on an ID only,
You like me?
No, I did not lie. That's really my name. My name is Keisha White.
where's Tanaya live?
It's right.
What street?
The
Spring Street.
name is
What's her date of birth?
Has a different date of birth, but has the same mailing address.
That was on, is that,
You guys ain't twins with the same birthday? No?
whose birthday got a paperwork
My
that day?
birthday is 322.
What's her name? That this one?
Go look at the photo. 287 has it.
I do have a cousin that was like me, yes.
She looks identical to you
Yeah.
with the same birthmark underneath your right eye. Same thing.
People thought we were twins. She wear glasses, I don't.
You see when she's standing, you feel it when she's standing.
So if I looked up the name Keisha with all the information provided and nothing was able to be found.
I'm not understanding why. I'm not understanding why.
Have you ever had a driver's license? Have you ever had an ID? You have. Should be coming back.
I don't know why.
Back with you there?
Hello? Hang the phone up, please.
No, you're saying that one, thank you.
I really take offense when people lie to me.
No.
You got the same mark under your eye as pictured with Tanaya, whatever, Mitchell, whatever her name is. The same mark, McNeil, Tanya McNeil. Tanaya. The same mark under your eye.
That's my cousin.
You have the same mark under your eye.
Our genes is really strong. If I show you some of my family members, you'll be like, oh yeah.
Well, you're going to be fingerprinted because you can't trust what you're selling us.
County from 16 300, I'm 10-9, fire chief is in the
And if it's
parking
true,
lot here.
that's fine. If it's not,
There is no answer
it's
to
another
the
charge.
normal
Just letting you know. So, moment of truth.
How close? For shoplifting. So how close are you with your cousin?
Super good.
Super close. How many pictures you got with her?
Was it that? You got it?
This is a new phone though.
New phone. You don't have no pictures with
This
her?
is the other phone.
All right. You can put that back in your bag.
She said it was with another guy. He's just outside the car waiting.
We're in the store.
And shoplifting hindering.
She's on the ring. Man, that's a lot of stuff in that car.
I ain't underring it. She just not scanning.
Oh, you just ain't scared at all.
What is all this stuff? They got all this stuff back?
Yeah, I have the receipt for it. 668.
So, we got enough for 41. I mean, I can wait for basically whatever.
And statement.
24, Foxtrot Tango,
How many person have driver?
3360.
Can you just do a statement form?
Yeah, but who's the stop
No, this is for them. Oh,
Yeah,
you're
we'll
watching?
fill it out.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. The other guy that was in here, not Patrick, the guy with the baseball cap, Will, he's doing a statement for him.
Okay. He needs one or he's doing one?
He's doing one now. I handed it to him.
Joe, just put your camera in front of it when.
Okay.
So we just have it. Yeah.
Since it was only 3 that went through so far. Just since I just put it out.
Just got done, just scan the shit.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
What is it? What are boxes? There's waters, juice. What's that, a toy?
Yeah. Like a Barbie.
Barbie?
What exploded in the parking lot?
Probably.
The cutlery set? Yeah.
The plastic cutlery set.
Yeah.
Okay, good. It was plastic.
So we're trying to
Someone
help
ran it
her
over.
out. So we got that. Let's go to the part with her walking out. Just
Okay.
regarding the stop.
Okay.
You want me to go in and help him with any of this stuff? So I'm over my numbers already. I'd like to write one more, but
Do your thing. Do your thing. I got it.
Jake's probably gonna have one from the mall.
okay. Well, I'll need to go out.
So it's going to be under ringing or over 500? Either or, whichever way you want to go.
Standing there because
we
he
have it
knows
going
already.
Right.
667. Let me go pre-tax.
She's got customer service right now. And I'm
625.
Your name, or amount.
yeah.
We should do a customer service.
I don't know. She was just there. Could have been trying to return stuff.
Route 216-302, 1809.
That's when we'll stop her at the door.
Yeah.
She left that, so
County code 16-300.
what's is she going to take the stuff out of the car?
guess.
It's another car. Okay.
Customer assistance needed at instant. I will see what I can do.
Thank you.
It's yours, right?
Yes. I just signed off. I was here.
Customer assistance needed at instant.
Did he ask her to stay there? Or?
Yes, as our detainment goes, we ask them please come to AP with us so we can get your information. She refused. That's when you guys came in the picture.
Gonna hang up the phone. Please stand up.
Where we going? Where we going?
You're under arrest for shoplifting.
I'm under arrest. Oh my.
Yep. Please stand up.
Hello. Bro.
Stand up and face away.
They need
Put your phone in your bag. Put your phone in your bag.
No, I don't see.
Put your phone in your bag.
60, Cleveland County.
Here's your name. Do that for me.
Yeah. Listen, you'll probably be released because in this new day and age with PSA. As long as you have no criminal history, you'll be fine.
Good, County.
Alright, come on. Come on.
One more. Address for the call. Just call second. Send the CPH. Send it, please.
We're receiving speech.
County 284, one female 41. Stand right here. Do you have anything in your pockets right now? Yeah. Those first. Keep that on you. Just turn a little bit the other way.
I searched all them pockets.
Okay.
Exactly. She took everything out of her inside pockets. Pants pockets.
What's in your back pocket? What's in this back pocket over here? Oh, never mind. Just the jeans. Okay. Alright, hopping right there.
Oh, that's mine. And the CD, you guys gonna burn it.
Yep. She didn't give it to you guys?
After reviewing statements from store employees and examining the evidence collected during the investigation, officers placed the woman under arrest on allegations related to shoplifting. Questions surrounding her identity remained a major focus of the case, with officers citing multiple inconsistencies and items belonging to another individual found in her possession. The final outcome of the case would ultimately be determined through the court process. All individuals featured in this video are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law.